Now let me show you how to use it as a battery charger. So over here in the main menu we are going to battery charge, which is the third option. Enter. Of course you need to have the AC power cord connected, and on the display you can see how's the charging doing right now. So what's the state of charge, how many amps are going through to the battery, and what's the current voltage. Over here we have the indicator of the weather conditions. So there is a temperature sensor which will limit amps going through the battery if it's too hot outside, if the ambient temperature is too high, and in the winter when it's lower it will provide more amps to the battery. And there's also an option for battery repair, so we can select this option over here and enter this mode. There's a warning that the battery needs to be outside the vehicle because this will perform some kind of voltage stimulated regeneration of the battery, and this should not be performed if the battery is connected to the car. It could cause some electrical damage. So we are sure that the battery is not in car and it's repairing right now. And over here we have the timer, and now we just have to wait.